Today we're going to learn how to convert from grams to atoms in a compound. What we're going to use it for an example is CO2. You see a sky printing there of CO2. Let's begin the problem. Okay. The question is, how many atoms of oxygen are in 88 grams of carbon dioxide? We want to start with 88 grams of carbon dioxide. Let's begin the problem. First, we want to change 88 grams of carbon dioxide to molecules. So what we do here is we say we have 88 grams of carbon dioxide, and that cancels. So now we go from grams of carbon dioxide. Now we have molecules of carbon dioxide. Well, we know one molecule of carbon dioxide contains 2 oxygen atoms. So now we cancel molecules of carbon dioxide. So there, molecules of carbon dioxide cancel. And so now what we need to do is multiply 88 times 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd. And really, we can cancel these out and just say this is 2. So 2 times Avogadro's number, and then again times 2. So basically 4 times Avogadro's number should give you the grand total, 2.41 times 10 to the 24th oxygen atoms. I'll show you one more way to do the same problem. So this time you're going to start again with 88 grams of carbon dioxide, but this time we're going to change it to moles instead. So here we see grams of carbon dioxide should cancel. So grams of carbon dioxide cancels. Next we're going to change moles of carbon dioxide this time to moles of oxygen. And the mole ratio, you notice in the formula of carbon dioxide, there's 1 carbon and there's 2 oxygen. So there's in 1 mole of carbon dioxide, there's going to be 2 moles of oxygen. And so the ratio there is 1 mole of oxygen for, 2 moles of oxygen for 1 mole of carbon dioxide. So now we've gotten rid of moles of carbon dioxide. Last thing we're going to do is change moles of oxygen to molecules or atoms of oxygen. So to do that, we use a ratio that 1 mole of oxygen has 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd atoms of oxygen. So you do that, you see moles of oxygen cancels, and we end up with atoms of oxygen. Notice this is actually the same exact problem because we're doing 88 divided by 44 times 2 times 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd, and the answer to this question again is 2.41 times 10 to the 24th. So that's how you go from grams in a compound to atoms in a compound. And you should also be able to go to the opposite direction, which would basically flip everything over. That's it. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll see you in class tomorrow.